Hello family, it's AjiseGraphik here again. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to use our Snapseed to blur images, icon, or to just make your background blur. So just once you have opened the app, just tap on anywhere to open. So you'll be able to go to your design. So this is the design I'm going to be using. So once you have tapped on this, now the next thing you want to do is to go to this edit tool over here. Once you go to this edit tool, that way you'll be able to see the features. There are more to what you can use Snapseed for. There's more to what you can use Snapseed, but I'm just going to teach us how to use the lens blur only. So the lens blur, so once you are there, just tap on the lens blur. Now the next thing you want to do is to, now you can see this, I can move it around. Now once that is showing, now tap and hold on your screen to see the features and take it up. Tap and hold on your screen to see the features, then take it up. Now once that is done, you'll be able to see, now you can notice blur strength, transition, and vignette strength. Now what blur strength? Blur strength helps you to increase the blurriness of your or whatever you're doing. Now how did I get this done? Now increase, now tap and hold your, put your two finger on your screen, then pinch in to make it, to increase the blurring, like to and the place you want it to be affected. Hope you get. So make sure that you, once you pinch it in, that means it's going to affect only that part. Now once I pinch it out, that means I'm removing the blur. Now once you tap and hold on your screen again, is to select. Now I want to go to the blur strength. Currently is on 30%. Now if I want to increase to 100, what I'll do is I'll just move my hand from the left side to the right side to increase the blur strength, move it back to the left side to reduce it, move it to the right side to increase it. Now you can see the blur strength has been increased. Now the next thing you want to do is to tap and hold on your screen, then go to transition. Transition is to help you reduce the this line and this dots to that are moving up and down. It helps you to be able to increase. You can see once I increase it, now is as I'm increasing it is affecting. Now that way is the transition is already being increased. Now if I bring it down to 0, now while I'm bringing it down to 0, so that it won't be able to affect all the places that, because I want the whole image to be blurred. So once I've done that, next thing I want to do is just take away this stuff and put it at the edge. At the edge, can you see where it is? That way you can see the background has been blurred fully. If you are not satisfied, you can just tap and hold again, then you can increase the vignette strength, and you see now you can increase the vignette strength to as what you want. So that's just the way it works. Then once you are done, just tap on the check mark here, tap on the check mark here. Then that way you will see that your design has been blurred, or your image. So you can tap and hold on the screen to see what you had before and what you've done. Tap and hold on the screen to see what you had before. So then once you are done, tap on this download, so then you download, you save a copy, create a copy of your photo, then automatically it saves to your file manager or your gallery. So it says photo save. So that's how to blur an image on Snapseed. Thank you.